with a good friend, Debbie Sardone. She's a recognized industry expert and the founder of Cleaning for a Reason, an ISSA charity program. Welcome, Debbie.
Thanks, Jeff. Thanks for having me on again.
Yes, great to have you. Debbie, something came across my inbox the other day, how you are working with 100 residential cleaning companies on some kind of a challenge. Tell us about that.
Yes, I'm really excited about it. So, I hold a cleaning business owners training event every single year in Dallas, Texas, and it's called CBF Live. And hundreds of cleaning business owners from around the country and sometimes around the world come to this event to learn how to get better at business. 10x their team is this year's theme. And last year at my event, I did something I've never done before. I decided to use day one of my event as Cleaning for a Reason Day. And along with all the training around hardcore business principles, I also wanted to inspire them to be a part of this amazing organization, Cleaning for a Reason, and to help us raise funds. So I launched a challenge at the event last year in March, so 2021. And I shared the story and the vision of Cleaning for a Reason because we want to serve more patients and reach more cleaning companies to join this cause. And so I told the story and I handed out this card with a QR code. And I asked as many business owners in that room as would be willing to raise their hand and commit to raising $1,000 to be donated 100% to Cleaning for a Reason over the next 12 months. So it's not a difficult challenge to give yourself 12 months to raise $1,000. There were over 300 people in that room when I made the challenge, and over 141 people raised their hand, filled out the card, and said, I'll raise $1,000. Now, some of them just wrote the check right there on the spot and said, I don't have time to do fundraising, but most of them followed through with setting up their fundraising link. And so we made it as easy as possible because we know how busy owners are of a cleaning company. And we made it as easy as possible. So we gave them all their own fundraising link, which they could edit and add their own logo to or whatever, and just use that link for an entire year to reach their goal of $1,000. And so it was simple. It was easy to use in your social media. You could put the link in your emails, post it once a week on your Facebook page for your business, or just ask family and friends to donate to your cause. So far, Jeff, here it is, almost a year later. So we'll be announcing and recognizing everybody who fundraised for us. But so far this year, we've almost hit our $100,000 goal. So these cleaning companies actually followed through, used their link on a regular basis. Some of them held just fun fundraisers and use their link to collect the funds. And we've got till the end of the month to raise the additional $7,000 to reach our goal. So we're excited and I know we're going to reach it.
Well, congratulations, Debbie. And anyone watching this, we want your help. The goal is going to be reached and everyone can be a part of this. Great story. What does this mean for the cleaning industry? What this money and this cause?
Well, it means a lot of things. Number one, it means that we have the funds to continue operating as a nonprofit. That's always a pressing concern on our minds is to make sure we bring enough funds to stay alive and thrive and continue to serve more families. But number two, it creates more awareness around the cause itself. There are a lot of people that still don't know about Cleaning for a Reason. So there are cleaning companies that will maybe see the link and the fundraising campaign for the first time and decide, hey, I need to join this. I want to serve families in my community. And then it will also help more cancer patients find out that this program is available in their community and they will apply for service and get the help they need. So it really touches on all three elements of our Give Back program is funding so we can thrive, finding more cleaning companies to volunteer more, and finding more patients that we can serve.
I have to think, Debbie, as founder of Cleaning for a Reason, it's a cause that you're proud of and you want to see it make an impact. How do you feel personally when you see companies respond to this?
Well, last year at my event, I had no idea we would exceed our goal by asking 100 people, yet 141 volunteered. And so it was very emotional for me to see all these cleaning companies that were really still trying to bounce back from the pandemic, still
Mhm.
raising their hands saying, I'm going to raise funds for this worthy organization. In terms of the impact it's having on my life and the lives of cleaning business owners, it really is that element that we can add to our brand that shows our community how we are uniquely different. We're not like every brand out there. Our company is doing good by doing well. And it's so important that cleaning companies show people in their community how they're different and how they're special, because it is hard to stand out in a crowded market. There's a lot of cleaning companies out there. And when you know your company is special and that your company is making a difference, it's important to make sure the public knows that as well. And so the fundraising also has helped raise awareness for these cleaning companies around what they do as a give back program internally, which in turn makes them more referable by people in their community.
Absolutely. I can see the value there. All right. Last question. Thinking about this achievement, how are you going to announce it? What's coming up?
We're almost there. We're $7,000 away from our $100,000 goal. And this year, our event is CBF Live 2022. And it is April 7th, 8th, and 9th. Our first day is our charity day, Cleaning for a Reason Day, where we recognize our amazing Cleaning for a Reason partners who have been serving all year long, serving patients and raising funds for this organization. So at my event, we have a huge party that we'll be hosting at the end of our training day. So we're going to spend a whole day training and working hard, and then we're going to end the day by recognizing and honoring the Cleaning for a Reason partners that are in this program at a recognition party. So we're going to have dinner and cocktails, or food and cocktails, heavy appetizers and cocktails, and just like a beautiful gala. And we're going to be announcing the top 100 most volunteering cleaning companies in Cleaning for a Reason from around the nation. We'll be recognizing the top 10 volunteer cleaning companies in Cleaning for a Reason, the top 3 with our pink jacket recognition. So we award them with these really cool pink jackets to show everyone that they were in the top 3 of the nation of the most cleanings donated to families with cancer. And then we'll be recognizing our number 1 Cleaning for a Reason partner that donated the most cleanings throughout the entire year. But then we've added a few more awards and recognition. We're going to recognize the partner that raised the most funds and the partner that's had the greatest impact on our program with their triple impact efforts of raising funds, raising awareness, and serving patients. So we have several new award categories to present this year because our Cleaning for a Reason partners have worked so hard and have stood out in such a big way. We just want to honor, thank, and recognize them. So that happens on April 7th at 5:30 p.m. at the award and recognition party for Cleaning for a Reason at the CBF Live event in Dallas, Texas.
What a great cause, Debbie. Thank you for sharing the details. And I'm looking forward to when you get to that $100,000 mark. And of course, we'll promote everything that happens at your event. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jeff, and we'll talk to you next time.